Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly. So I have here another Vauxhall Vivaro Renault Trafic. So we've just had one leave. That's what I've using these tools on. So I haven't done any work on this one yet. But it's the same van, same engine, 1.6. Just had a quick look over this one. It's got a slightly different issue than what's normal. And if we look down there, you see that white sort of corrosion around that plug. That's going to give us a hint of what the issue is. Okay, so we've got check anti-pollution system, spanner, engine light on, usual stuff, check injection system, and you can even get engine failure hazard pop up. Okay, so we've been clearing some faults just to see what comes back, and we're getting back these ones, which is inlet manifold pressure sensor, preheating diagnostic unit, air temperature sensor. This one is part of the inlet air temperature sensor, which is part of the manifold pressure sensor, which is the same as that one. Air temperature sensor again, that one. So all of these codes, these three codes, are the one part, and then we've got the preheating glow plugs, and as well as a P2002 DPF code that was there. Okay, so we've got a reading there of 31 degrees on there. So it looks like we are getting a reading on the sensor, but obviously it is chucking a circuit fault. I'm sorry there's a lot of glare on this screen, but my Eurotab 3 has got a flat battery. I seem to have a broken charger wire, so I'm using this one temporarily. Okay, we've got the manifold pressure up. And you can see there, they're both reading. Sorry, I'm trying to get it on an angle where you can see what I'm looking at, but it looks to me like I'm getting a lot of glare here. So I have got a new sensor here. Don't know if this is in the correct box or not, but that's the part number there. So I'm just going to knock this to the right, and we should be able to just pull that out, move it to the side there. We can get access to that sensor there that I'm talking about. So it looks like it's going to have sort of water ingress. It's had a new thermostat and pipe here that was split, so it's obviously been spraying maybe across here, which has caused this corrosion, and then it maybe has got ingress into the sensor here, which is making it intermittently chuck up a circuit fault. Now we're just going to inspect the cables, make sure that they look like they're not damaged or corroded, and they're clean on the inside there. Okay, so just connect up a new sensor, and we'll just come back to the data stream in here again. We'll tick up those items that we were looking at before, which was inlet temperature and manifold pressure. So just make sure that these numbers look like they're okay. Pretty much the same as it was before. Okay, we're going to check the upstream pressure against the engine speed now as well. Let go. Yep, so we've got the usual blocked pipe there as well. Pressure upstream is blocked. So you see, if we clean out this pipe in a minute, we should see both of these charts sort of climb and drop at a very similar rate. So we've got the glow plugs out, and we've got a set of new ones to go back in. Let's get that down there. And there it goes. Okay, so we've unblocked the pipe using the cable, and we blasted through with the DPF cleaner on there. Okay, we're back inside, started the van up. Let's give it a rev now. And we should see these two charts look very sort of similar, like I said before. See that? Now we're just clearing the fault codes. And that is it. We're just going to hold the revs for a few minutes, get all of that fluid cleared out of the exhaust, and we should now have no more fault codes all done. So that's it, that's another Renault Trafic or Vauxhall Vivaro in this case saved for today, and I'll see you in the next video.